leftover mixed leaf right here. It's got some red bits and pieces in it, you know what I mean? It's just some mixed leaf. You can get mixed leaf to buy at the supermarket or your local shop. Anyway, very healthy recipe. I'm going to add some ingredients to it now to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Get 1 clove of garlic, all right? And once you get the clove of garlic, blend it into the salad. So basically, if you doesn't have one of these, you need to cut up your garlic really fine. All right, guys? So once you blend it in, you're gonna squeeze some lime juice into the salad. Then pop a little bit of olive oil, roughly about a tablespoon. And next, what you need to do is get some cucumber, which you can get cucumber to buy at the supermarket. Cut it up really finely and put it straight to it like this. Very healthy salad. Now I'm gonna get a medium-sized tomato and I'm gonna add it for it just to make it look really amazing. Then what I'm going to do next is get some red onion. I have some red onion. Red onion definitely bring off the salad, any kind of salad you're making at home. Nice one. So I have some flat parsley and also I have some fresh basil, which I'm going to put into the salad. I love these things, guys. And I'm just gonna be cutting them really chunky and add it to it, just like this. Now, I'm gonna put a little bit of dry chili and a little bit of pepper. And I'm gonna simple just use my hand and marinate the salad. All right. This is amazing. And this is just really healthy and lovely. So once you use your hand and marinate the salad and get it together, and this is exactly what you're looking for. Now it's time to serve. Because your guest is waiting on this. So basically, just use your hand, lovely and nice. Get it right straight into that lovely bowl. Beautiful and nice. Look at that. Beautiful, fantastic, and amazing. That can eat with anything, guys. It is lovely and nice. Beautiful salad. So enjoy, subscribe, and leave your comments in the description box. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and team, just like that. I will see you